Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create and insert a toggle button into your app projects on Retool. So let us guide you through this. Head over to the app editor and select your page. I will go with the home page of that app project. So guys, you can add toggle buttons the same way you add normal or standard buttons like this. So what you want to do is navigate to the Add Components tab in the top left and here scroll all the way down till you get to the special inputs, into the button inputs here. And from that menu, select the toggle button here. Left click, hold your left mouse and drag it to your page. Here guys, you may customize it. For instance, if the toggle button has various options like show and hide, you may customize these through the button or component properties to the right. So you may add a default value here, for instance, and here where it says text, change the text, for example, for these two options. Highlight the default text, like, I don't know, let me go with plus and minus. So replace these default text, sorry, there's a typo. And after that you will see the result here. So you may click into that toggle button and you will see these options there. Now guys, what you want to do also is customize the interaction. For example, for the loading, enter true or false, for instance, and also for the appearance, for instance, you may customize the icon position, left of the text, right of the text. You may change the alignment, for instance, styles, add an outline or solid. So in this case, the button would look like this button here. And that's it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.